What's happening, guys? AJ with Colorado Fisher. Thank you for joining me for another episode. We are not fishing this weekend, but I thought it was a cool idea to put together our top catches over the last 12 months. We've had a fun year, ice fishing, fly fishing, shore fishing, whatever it may be. We're going to prepare for Lake Powell this week, so no fishing, and the weather kind of sucks. But if you guys stay tuned, follow the channel. We will be back with fresh new videos in about 2 weeks. We're gonna have so much fishing. I can't wait to share with you guys. So sit back, enjoy, comment below, subscribe if you haven't. I think one of my top moments of the year. Seriously? Helicopter? As I was saying, one of my favorite moments has to be when we hooked into that 33-inch lake trout. My God, was that bite something epic that I've never seen before. I can't even describe it, guys. Why don't I just show you? Check this out. Already marking some at the new places we've moved to. Oh, we got one, guys. Hooks it. Oh, I got one. I'm gonna need some help, guys. Tyler. Oh, it's taking some drag, that's for sure.
You there?
How? Oh my God, oh my God.
Just keep the rod in the hole.
Woo! What a kiss over
I love
that.
I love that.
I don't know. I have not seen him shoot.
Swivel.
Yeah, that's swivel.
Oh, his head's almost up.
I don't feel he'll fit
his head's
through.
almost up. No, you got this.
He is big.
Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna get his head through. We're gonna take our time with
deep
him.
for this guy. Oh my God,
Dude,
he's so
big.
thick.
Hold on, guys. I don't wanna.
This is
His
what,
head's right there. You got him.
Hold on. Greg, whatever. Hold on.
he's so
Tyler, grab him by the teeth. I don't care if he scratches you, dude.
Grab
Grab
him.
him with your glove by the
He's
teeth.
got him right there.
Does he?
Ooh.
Hold on, guys. Greg, you got him. You got him.
Oh my God! Oh my God! All right. Oh my God,
Hold
dude.
on.
Yep.
9 minutes, guys. 10
I
minutes.
don't think I'd ever be able to hold. Dude, just to be able to hold this fish.
Hey guys, we just landed this. I can't even hold it. He's so heavy, but he's well, at least 25 pounds. The second one I have to go with is the catfish. Just because I was jigging a ultralight rod with a little piece of minnow on it, just lightly, when that 30-inch catfish hit. The fight was unreal. I couldn't even get him through the hole. I had to harm him, but luckily we kept him. So, I don't feel too bad. But that was an awesome catch, you guys. Check out what I'm talking about. Oh, guys, we got something decent. Got something decent, guys. Let's get the transducer out. I don't know what it is. Got something big! It's bending my rod. That just happened, literally, as you're walking that way. I have no idea what it is. It's about to break me off, though. I don't know if walleyes run like this. Pass. Oh, God. I thought he broke off.
I lost it for a second.
Dude, I just want to see what it is. Oh my gosh.
This is are you
Oh my, I
recording?
see it. It's a cat. It's a huge cat. I don't think it's gonna fit through here. I don't care.
Jeez.
Don't. Oh my God, guys. Oh
Oh my God. Are you recording this?
Yes.
Oh, you are. I didn't even.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe, guys, we just landed this puppy.
All right, you just caught this giant catfish.
Yeah, thank you for your assistance, guys. I don't know how many pounds it is, but it's heavy and it fought me forever. Beautiful cat, guys. See y'all later. My third favorite has to be when I went fishing near Leadville for about 7 hours. I didn't catch a single fish. And then out of nowhere on my crappie ultralight rod with about a 1-inch Rafinki, I ended up catching back-to-back lake trout, a 31 and a 28-incher. That was just unreal. I don't have the hook sets in either one of these, but I do bring them in. So let's dwell into this one and see how that went down. Got something good though. Holy sh**. Holy sh**, pulling.
Or a big ass brown. Ooh.
Please don't lose it.
That's it on the Raffini?
Yeah.
No kidding. Oh, I hope this is a lake trout.
Oh. I don't know.
It looks like a nice liner.
It ain't coming out. Oh my.
I see color. It looks like a laker.
Holy sh**, really dragged.
Hell yeah. It had the colors of a laker. Might be.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Ow! What the? Did he just took me for 40 feet?
Nice.
Someone. I think I've got him snagged somehow. Hold on. Try whatever you do.
You got him. You just wrapped the line around him.
Hold on. Angel, I'll try to get him.
Take your time, guys.
Angel. Guys, grab him. Oh my god. Get him away from the hole. Get him away from the hole. Oh my god.
Yeah!
Guys, this is what I just... How many inches? I think I got another laker. Oh fuck, transducer. Oh, it's around the transducer. Oh, he's running.
Jesus, is this the same fish? It looks like him.
You guys have the tape measure?
Yeah. I sure do. Holy shit. Fuck.
Wow, guys.
Fuck, dude. That is incredible. Alright. The
following clip is with my buddy Tyler. We ended up going out to one of the lakes out east or north, and as I was explaining to him how to use the fish finder, I end up hooking into a master angler white bass, and I even told him I don't think this fish will hit, but this is what the fish finder looks like when it locates fish, and what your jig looks like. And well, check this out. Up to my jig. Look, like how you can tell on my thing here. Well, see how thick the yellow is?
Yeah.
My jig is just a line.
Okay.
That thick is a fish dancing around it. I just don't know what to do to coax it to eat. So,
jigging, and then I'd stop.
so this is a fish on my jig right now.
Okay.
My jig is that dark orange.
Okay.
Okay, the yellow is a fish. So here, I'll show you what I mean. See where my jig is now?
Oh, yep.
And now on the bottom there, see there's a fish coming up to you. See that?
Yep.
A fish just literally is coming up to my jig. And it's caught.
So stay to the right. The cable.
What do we have? Oh boy, fighting me for these.
Ooh, it's a fucking nice white bass.
Oh my god, a huge white bass. Holy shit. Get him. Lastly, I had a spell where I wanted to catch some warm water species nonstop, so I always wonder what it was like to catch a bass through the ice. Not only did I catch a bass, I caught a bunch of jumbo perch and some awesome sized walleye that really just kept off my ear, and I ended the ice fishing season right there, surprisingly, which was in town. I am very thankful for the winter. Yeah, so... Got it. Oh, something good. I got something good, Tyler. Oh my gosh, it's running. I do not know what I got, guys. Huge! Oh my god, a bass! Guys, look at this bass. I get a bite. Oh guys, I just got 2 more bites. Oh guys, just got 3 bites. Got him, got him, got him. Oh my gosh, got him. Oh my gosh, got him, got him, got him, got him. Look at that thing.
Holy cow.
You got this?
Yeah. Oh, heck yeah.
What is that? Is it a master
That's over
angler?
12, yeah.
Is it? Pitch the tail.
You're right at 12, man. 12 inch right there, baby. There he goes.
There he goes. We got something, guys. We got something. Got a big walleye. Got a big walleye. Hopefully he doesn't break us. Hopefully he doesn't break us, guys. Guys, hopefully he doesn't break us. Guys, doesn't. Oh my God! Yes. All right, guys. Of course, I have to save the best for the last. My buddy Rush Warsh came out to do a collaboration with me, and I thought it was an awesome idea to get together and do one. We ended up fly fishing one of my favorite stretches, 11 Mile Canyon, and he ended up having a heck of a time out there, and we were both able to cherish some awesome memories and produce an amazing piece of content for you guys. So let's close out with that. We got another one over here. This one looks big. Fighting too. Oh yeah. It's one of those fights where it's not like moving anywhere, so it feels like a snag. We're gonna get him in. Ooh, screaming drag.
I know, I'm missing that drag.
These fish are just so fun, you guys. You bring them in a little bit.
Oh yeah. You might want to back up just a little bit, get in the slow water. That's a nice fish.
I think like 18 inches at least. Oh wow. Fatty.
Thaddeus.
Ooh, guys, this one fought quite the fight. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys. So there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Leave the comments below, follow if you don't follow already, and remember to stay tuned as we bring you some awesome content from Lake Powell over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you. Till next time.